Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 6 of the Advent calendars. So since Smudge is right here, I hope y'all don't mind me doing his first. Here is the cute Advent calendar I have for him I got from PetSmart. And day 6 is... Some of these are not easy to find, y'all. I suppose oh, here it is. It's way up here at the top. It's right here, okay? Let's see what's in there. It's a small spot, so I can't imagine. Ooh, look at this, Smudge. Oh, is it cute, y'all? Look at that. It's a little gingerbread. It's a little gingerbread. You like that, Smudge? I can't tell if there's, you know, it said that things would be scented with catnip, and that's what they like. So, you know, you've got some in your eye, love. Okay, but that's for Smudge. Come on, you ready, Smudge? Well, I'm not sure that he likes it, but it's awfully cute. All right, I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to do the candy since it's right here. It's just easiest to put it right there for me. This is the Aldi's Moser Roth chocolates. And day 6. You know, this is a nice calendar and all, but this isn't really good for TV, in my opinion. For TV, for filming. This is awfully cute. It's a star. And that one is the bourbon vanilla truffle. Ooh, I'm going to enjoy that later. I'm not really in the mood when I'm filming to do these chocolates, so I eat them later. So, Smudge, you like that? And then let's get to what we're really all waiting for is the Macys. And here it is. And day 6 is... Day 6 is way over here, right here. And you see you can push this in. And this one, maybe push in both sides and then pull that out. Oh, hey, it's working. All right. Because these are in there pretty tight. So let's see. And if you need any help, there's descriptions on the back for everything. I may need help because what is that, y'all? It's beautiful, beautiful packaging. Let's see what it is. Hang on, Smudge. It says, Urban Decay brand, VIGE. Let's see what that is. Back Talk in matte. It sounds like a little lippy or something, which sounds, oh, look at how pretty that is, y'all. You know, I've been told that the Macys calendars have not been great in the past, but so far, y'all, every day's been really good. This is the 6th day, and I'm really, really happy. Thank you to Cece and to Laura. Cece's Trial Size Life, Laura the Bargain Hunter. They gave me this calendar for my birthday, and I'm really excited about it, y'all. This is beautiful. It's a mini lippy. Okay, Smudge, sit down so we can see. It's gray on all sides and even the top. And here it is. It's a nice neutral. Oh, that's really pretty. It is a very, very matte. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but I can see it's very, very matte. So this might be something, a lot of people like a matte lipstick. I do. This would be nice with a gloss over it too. It's a very nice neutral with a little bit of a, see, like when I'm looking at it here, it looks like a neutral to me, but when I look at it in the camera, it has a bit of a pink tone to it. So it's very, very pretty, and I love a mini lippy. I love a mini lippy. They're easy to carry with you, and they're just so convenient, you know, so that is beautiful. So thank you, Cece and Laura, and that is my Advent calendars for today, y'all. Thanks for stopping by. Count your blessings.